नमस्कार. पळया प्रुडेंट खबरो. पर्रीकरा आड काँग्रेस कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून हवा करून बाबुशाची गोवा फॉरवर्डान उडी. काँग्रेस हायकमांड जाला खंय पसरकार. विजय म्हणटा पर्रीकराक हाडलो आनी जिखयलो. गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे चालीन बीजेपी आनी काँग्रेस दोनूय कॅम्पांनी धाकधूक. कोणूच उघड स्पष्ट भूमिका घेना. दर एकलो सादूर वेट अँड वॉच. सेवेन असताना मरण आयिल्ल्या सरकारी स्टाफाच्या स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकाच्या फॅमिलींतल्यांक नोकऱ्यांचे वेटिंग लिस्ट वर्साभरा भितर क्लियर. मुख्यमंत्र्याचे उतर. 1978 सावन गोंयान गो हत्या बंदी. गाय जाणटी जाली. दूध दिना म्हणून मासाक मारपाक मेळची ना. दूध दिनाशिल्ल्या जाणट्या गायीक पोसपाक दूधकारांक आधार. तेरावे राष्ट्रपती प्रणब मुखर्जीक फेरवेल. 14वे राष्ट्रपती रामनाथ कोविंदाचो सरन्यायाधीशाच्या हजेरेन सोपूतविधी. राष्ट्रपती भवनान सुत्रां नवे राष्ट्रपती कडेन. आणि जीएसएमान काढले मन्नू तुझा माझ्यावर भरोसा नाही काय.
मन्नू आमका तुझ्यावर भरोसा नाही हाय. मन्नू आमका तुझ्यावर भरोसा नाही हाय.
पणजे पर्रीकराच्या आड कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून हवा करता करता बाबुशान गोवा फॉरवर्डान उडी मारली. बाबुश म्हणटा काँग्रेसीचो हायकमांड जाला पसरकार. ते सिरियस नात. विजय सध्या पर्रीकराक गोंयान हाडून पणजे परत जिखोवन हाडपाचे श्रेय घेता. काँग्रेसीचो कोणूय रिजायन जाल्यार थंय गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो अशी घोषणा अध्यक्ष विजयान केल्या. सरकार खंय आतां आनीक हालपाचें ना.
बाबुशाक गोवा फॉरवर्डात हाडून पर्रीकराक घट केला म्हणून विजय म्हणटा.
The Goa Forward family is very happy to welcome my friend Babush Monserrat in the Goa Forward Party. As I said in my tweet, this is a major political development which will not only strengthen the Goa Forward Party in North Goa and also, but it will actually give a stability certificate for the Manohar Parrikar government in the state. This is bringing about a finality for all the rumors or whatever attempts that the Congress could ever think to destabilize this government. आयच्यान अशें म्हणूं येता की आमचो जो गोंयांत सरकार आहा वो सरकार एक पूर्णपणान स्टेबल जाल्लो आहा. मनोहर पर्रीकराची सुप्रमसी इस्टॅब्लिश जाल्ली आहा आनी मनोहर पर्रीकराक गोवा फॉरवर्डान फक्त गोंयांत हाडलोच ना, आतां ताका पणजेचो आज आमी आमदारूय म्हणून डिक्लेअर करूंक शकता अशें आमी केल्लें आहा. खंयचोय काँग्रेस पार्टीचो आमदार जर रिजायन जाता जाल्यार गोवा फॉरवर्ड तो सीट कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो.
बाबुश पणजे बाय इलेक्शनाचेर उलयलो. ताणें काँग्रेसीक बरीच तासली.
I wasn't. That's what I'm saying. Congress seems to be not very serious even in contesting Benjamin.
You wanted to contest from Congress?
No. I am just saying because I had said if I had contested, I would have contested on the Congress. But I have seen the way how Congress is functioning. I have been at least for the past 1 month. I have seen Congress function very closely. Now it is time that they should change the way of function. The old days are gone. But well, I am the one to basically give them any advice. They have got special advice.
So तुझी ड्रीम असली कोणत्याच्यान पर्रीकरा अगेन्स्ट कॉन्टेस्ट करपाची ड्रीम तशी उरतली आता.
See, it depends how long I live. I will always follow the dream. We are not here to make any MLAs to resign. I will tell you everything. I feel I contested election last time in Panjim. I think the people told me you just take a rest for 5 years. So I believe of taking a rest for 5 years. Now, if at all, if someone else resigns, that as party president Mr. Vijay had already said. I think we made it very clear as far as to the BJP that any MLA from the Congress resigns, then we will be contesting any seat.
जेनिफरान आपणाक कित्याक फॉलो करूंक जाय अशें बाबूश उलयलो.
There's no question of following. She's in a different party. I'm in a different party. I didn't contest on the Congress team. Why she must follow me? It is always not necessary that wife should follow her husband.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि विजय तुकाराम मराठे.
गोवा फॉरवर्डाचे हे चालीन सध्या बीजेपी आणि काँग्रेस दोनूय कॅम्पांनी धाकधूक जाल्या, मात कोणूच उघड स्पष्ट भूमिका घेना. आम्ही काँग्रेस बीजेपीच्या फुडाऱ्यांक गाठले, दर एकलो सध्या सादूर भूमिका घेता. बाबुशाक वाट मेकळी करून कोण तरी काँग्रेसीचो आमदार रिजायन जावंक शकता म्हणून हवा जाल्या.
I think it's a very welcome move that Babush has joined Goa Forward. I think this ensures the stability of the government. It is a very good move because we need Mr. Parrikar, the Chief Minister of Goa, and when we need him as the Chief Minister of Goa, this type of moves where Babush was supposed to be the Congress candidate has come into Goa Forward, speaks about stability and volumes of this, and this is a welcome move for at this stage, especially because before Mr. Parrikar's elections. So very strong message to the opposition who have shown that their numbers have declined from 16 to 11 during the elections of the presidential candidate. Again, I think here we see a picture where the Congress has not been able to encash on anybody. So as they lose ground, we can find stability in other parties happening, which overall is very good for the stability of Goa.
By politics, बाबुशा विशीं कोणूच प्रेडिक्ट करूं शकना आनी बाबूश जे कितें मनां हाडटा तें करून दाखयता. तशें आज बाबुशान केल्लें आसा. पॉलिटिक्स विशीं हांव ताचेर कांय उलोवंक शकना. म्हाका दिसना अनलेस एंड अंटील काँग्रेसींतल्यान कोणूय आयले शिवाय सरकाराक आनी मुखार स्टेबिलिटी आसा तें आमीच दितले आनी आमी हें सरकार 5 वर्सां कंप्लीट करतले.
कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून प्रश्न येना अजून काय पयलीं अजून काय हेच ना न्ही कशें कितें म्हणटलें आमी बाबुशा बद्दल म्हाका म्हायती ना. काँग्रेसीचो पणजी भितरलो कॅन्डिडेट जे आसा ते आमची PCC थरयतली. PCC नांव फायनल करतली पर CLP सुद्दां हांवें जेन्ना म्हाका विचारलें तेन्ना हांवें सांगलें म्हणजे प्रेसांनी तेन्ना CLP जी आहा ती कॅन्डिडेट थरयना. PCC जी आसा काँग्रेस प्रदेश कमिटी जी आसा ती कॅन्डिडेट थरयता आनी ती मागीर हायकमेंट ओके CLP आसता तितून भितर हांव करतलें कांय नांव शॉर्ट लिस्ट अशी पयलीं केला तेजे उपरांत ती मागीर हायकमांडाक धाडप हायकमांडाची एप्रुवल घेवन फायनल. बाबुशा बद्दल सुद्दां हांव कांय सांगूं शकना सध्या.
Politics is a game of convenience. It's very simple. I scratch your back, you scratch my back. So Babush has done that with Goa Forward. Anyway, there's one thing I have always said, that the ship, the BJP ship I had said, is so full there's no place left. How will people go there? There's already got cracks. Now it is loaded a little more extra. I hope it doesn't become River Princess, which is happening there in Miramar. You see, the more the people go that side, I think it's better is for the Congress. See, if it's worry situation for the government, I'm happy. That's why I said no. I've said first only that the situation is it is always said grass is greener on the other side. So let them have a fun. You will be able to make out now on the body language of lot of fellows on the other side. Please go and see the body language of lot of fellows. Our body language is the same. Yeah, we are in the opposition. Yeah, we are enjoying it. And now at least we were a little sad. We're not. Now we will enjoy better.
So you feel that Babush must have influenced cross voting?
They should go and ask the PCC president and CLP leader.
But you don't want to comment on that?
Why should I know?
So there were reports that if you resign...
You ask those who gave you
now also you resign also, now the president is changed and now the Babush is not here.
सेवेन असताना मरण आयिल्ल्या सरकारी स्टाफाच्या वा स्वातंत्र्य सैनिकाच्या फॅमिलींतल्यांक कॉम्पेन्सेशन स्किमी खाला नोकऱ्यांचे वेटिंग लिस्ट वर्सभरा भितर एका दमान क्लियर करतले. प्रक्रिया चल्ल्या सरकारी खात्यांनी स्टाफाची टंचाई वा सरप्लस स्टाफाचो नियाळ घेवंक सल्लागार एजन्सी घाल्या ते प्रमाण ह्या फुडें वेकन्सी भरतले टेस्टी वा इंटरव्यू जाल्ल्यांक प्रक्रिया सारकी असल्यार जॉब मेळटलो म्हूण मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान उतर दिला जेनिफर मोन्सेरातान हो प्रश्न काडिल्लो
That means only where invitation or applications were called in and no exam or no computer test, nothing was carried out. Only the applications have been received and maybe applications have been processed. They are treated as cancelled. In all other cases where the process of conduct of written examination or computer test, proficiency test and or viva or interview as applicable has been carried out, the vacancies as notified in the advertisement shall be permitted to be filled by following due procedure. That means you can complete the procedure. Provided that in a case of faulty recruitment procedure, the de novo process as per current vacancies available and with revised instruction be followed. One or two cases it has been noted that the procedure which they have done halfway is not correct. So there they have to start again. But they are permitted to start again. The department thinks that the procedure is faulty, they can cancel the full exercise.
Would you consider reserving or considering some jobs which are there on compassionate grounds?
There is no ban on compassionate SIA. There are about 362, I think, if I am not mistaken, cases of compassionate appointment which are in the process and they are not been delivered only because the vacancies available and the qualification the person have does not match. Some fighter compassionate appointments are being considered for one shot clearances.
गोवा आनी बायल आनी दोन भुरग्यां बायल सामकी SSC कितें जालें अशी कांय करना घो मेलो घो सडनली एटॅक आयलो आनी मेलो एकलो एक्सिडेंटान मेलो अशें बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आसपाक शकता.
नॉर्मली कॉम्पन्सेशन आतां सरकारी नोकराक ताजें हाजें रिजनेबल मेळटा म्हणजे एकदम बिकट आसता अशी ना पण हांवें आतां एक सांगलें की आय एम क्लियरींग द फूल लिस्ट आय एम ट्रायंग टू क्लियर द फूल 362 लिस्ट मे बी विथीन 1 year less than 1 year period we will clear the list.
Some are waiting for promotion, some are promoted but in the same department. So how will this check and balances, I would like the...
We are putting in HRD specialist on all government department कारण ARD डिपार्टमेंटाकडे हे सगळे इंडिव्हिज्युअली हँडल करपाक जायना.
घेऊया एक ब्रेक.